Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your butter slime softer. To begin, take your stiff butter slime and add a small amount of lotion, perhaps 1/4 teaspoon, directly onto it. Start kneading the lotion into the slime slowly and thoroughly. This helps the lotion absorb evenly. Keep adding tiny amounts of lotion, 1/4 teaspoon at a time, until your slime reaches that perfect, soft consistency you're looking for. If lotion isn't quite doing the trick, try a few drops of baby oil. It adds a lovely smoothness and helps with pliability. Another option is a tiny bit of hand sanitizer, around 3.5 milliliters, which can help break down the stiffness. Remember, always start with very small amounts and knead well. You can also warm the slime slightly with your hands. The heat helps it become more flexible. When softening, it's crucial to avoid adding too much liquid at once. Overdoing it can make your slime overly sticky and hard to handle. Always add small amounts and mix thoroughly before adding more. To keep your butter slime soft for longer, store it in an airtight container when you're not playing with it. Also, regular play, even just 5 minutes a day, helps maintain its perfect texture. Sometimes, even with the best care, slime can get a bit tricky. If your butter slime becomes too sticky after softening, a small pinch of baking soda can help firm it up. Just knead it in until it's less tacky. If it's still quite stiff, a tiny amount of clear glue can sometimes revive it. And hey, while you're making your slime perfect, don't forget to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.